What is up guys, Tech Bro Cholo here and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're going to be talking about this chair, the NobleChairs Epic Black Edition. Now let's start things off by talking about how easy it is to build this thing. It took me just 30 minutes and I wasn't rushing at all. The instructions were straightforward and clear, plus all the tools you need came with the box. And I was able to put it together all on my own, no assistance needed. But all throughout, it felt like I was building a tank because of how sturdy the build felt. Fast forward, and I've been using this gaming chair for about half a month. And before this, I was using one of those generic office chairs worth like 2,000 pesos you see in the marketplace. I was one of those people who thought, why would I want a quality chair? Aren't they all the same? Well, after using this one, my eyes have been opened. The Black Edition comes in their new hybrid PU leather, which unlike regular faux leather, has microfine pores which makes it breathable for both air and water vapor. I live in the attic, and at first I thought that this might be a little bit too hot for me. But after using it for a couple of weeks, it's actually a lot cooler than the generic mesh chair I used to use. Plus, it felt so good to hold, almost like Napa leather because of how soft and smooth it felt. I was really impressed. Plus, the inside of the chair is made of a tough but comfortable foam which they guarantee will stay in shape for years. And while we're talking about build quality, the wheels and the wheelbase are also well done. The finish looks clean and matches the aesthetic perfectly. And I love how easy it is to roll around my room in this. Just one of the small things I really appreciate. Now, it's not only comfortable but extremely customizable as well. Below we have an adjuster for the height, as well as a knob to adjust rockability and a lock for it as well. Then of course, to the side we have the recline adjuster, which looks great with its titanium finish and NobleChairs branding. But my favorite part is the 4D armrests. No matter what your body type is or how you sit, you'll feel right at home on this chair. You can easily adjust the height, forward and back positioning, angles, as well as how far away from your body the armrests will be. My old chair had everything locked in, so I had to slouch or hunch. Now this one is kinda spoiling me, and it's doing wonders for my back. That's because you're getting extra lumbar support thanks to the included pillow, which is great for my posture. Plus, you can hook it up seamlessly through the gorgeous metal finish holes on the chair. It also comes with a neck pillow to top things all off, both with that sleek NobleChairs branding. Overall, it's one amazing chair. Not a day goes by that I don't park on this and feel like I'm sitting on a throne. Not only does it feel incredibly comfortable and premium, but it does so while giving my arms, neck, and back the support I need when spending hours in front of the computer. I've seen a lot of gaming chairs before, and honestly, this one's my favorite design. I just love the sleek, smart, and minimalistic look to it, not over the top at all. I'm really happy I got the Black Edition, and you can get your own because it's now available at NobleChairs, Digital Walker, and GoodGame for 23,990 pesos. You guys can check out more tech reviews on Unbox PH. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Once again, it's your Tech Bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.